know y'all haven't talked to me in a long time or seen me, whatever. But y'all, it's been a nightmare. Sorta, but not really. I'm in the car with the air conditioner on. Let me tell y'all something, okay? Number one, my sister came here from Canada. No, I did not vlog the whole time she was here. And I know y'all like, but why? And I even asked myself why. And the only thing that I could come up with is whenever we were in each other's presence, it was like I wanted to focus on her and her husband. Like, I wanted, you know, not to have all the cameras out and the lights on. And yeah, I could have, but you know, it was just, I just wanted it to just be us, if that makes sense. I just wanted us to enjoy each other. And I constantly said, I was like, girl, I didn't vlog at all since you've been here. And she was like, I know, you know, but it wasn't like, it wasn't a production. Y'all excuse the lighting because I'm in my car, or whatever. Yeah, baby. Yeah. What? Oh, if y'all can't see, I got Fifi in the back seat. But I did take some pictures while she was here. We actually all took a lot of pictures, and I'll insert some of them right here. And I'll insert some of them at the end of this video or whatever. But anyway, I just came here just to say hey, because I haven't, you know, spoken to you guys in a minute. Yes, this coronavirus thing is running rampant. It is, but my thing is this. We are supposed to be in quarantine. I get it, I understand, but there are some people that still have to work, i.e. my husband. My husband has to go to work every day. He is taking as much precaution as he possibly can. He does, not only for his job, for his job he wears a mask, not just because of the coronavirus, but he wears a mask, so he already has that layer of protection, but it's a respiratory mask, which makes it a lot better because it's not just a little hospital cover your nose up type mask that everybody's walking around here wearing. It's actually the respiratory mask, so it kind of helps out. He also wears gloves and he sanitizes all day long, you know, so the best that he can do is what he's doing. I know. What is that? A leaf. Girl, it's stuck to your window. It's a leaf stuck to her window. But like, as far as me, I know it's stuck, mommy. So as far as me, like, I'm just living my life with as much caution as I can. I have small children that, you know, it's pretty difficult to, you know, try to teach them or get them to understand what it is that's going on out here. You know, I have amped up our hand washing. I have amped up our sanitizing in between hand washings. You know, I've amped all of that up. So that part, yes. As far as them going outside, I do allow my kids to go outside for at least an hour a day, sometimes an hour and a half, maybe two, in different intervals. They will go outside for a little bit and they'll come back in, and for the most of the day they are on the inside of the house. So yeah, so most of the day they're inside. I do let them out with me constantly, you know, watching them. They want to run up and down the street, that's fine, I understand, you know, but like, what do you do, y'all? You know, my kids gotta be kids. They gotta get their wiggles out. They have to get fresh air. And on another note, let me tell y'all something. Please stop acting like everybody that sneeze, that sniffle, that blow their nose has the coronavirus. Some of us, like me, suffer from allergies and sinus on a regular basis. Every day. Like as far as Marcel is symptomatic every day with allergies. He has chronic allergies, by the way. Sniff, that don't mean I have the coronavirus. That means it's hella pollen out here. If y'all, it blew away, mama. Oh, it moved a little bit? Okay. But as far as the pollen, let me tell you, I had to spray my windshield this morning to be able to see out of it. That is how much pollen is out here. So please stop thinking that everybody that sneeze, sniffle, or cough has the coronavirus. We don't. We got allergies, y'all. And the pollen is on 10. It's on 10. It's like breathing into a greenish yellow cloud. It's terrible. This pollen is a ridiculous. Like my car has a greenish yellow hue to it. It's crazy. I do not have corona. I do not feel feverish. I might cough every once in a while. And that is because I have allergies. My entire family suffers from allergies. My entire family suffers. So please stop thinking that everybody you see that sniffs and blows is because they got the coronavirus. It is not. And I understand you must be careful. You must be careful with whatever is going on. So I get it. I get it. I mean, if they sneeze, you just stay away. You know, you just keep your distance. But don't be like, oh my God, you got corona. Coronavirus, a lot of the symptoms that you see are what people deal with on a daily basis. Everybody is scared. Everybody is scared. So keep your hand sanitizers. I got 2 in my car. Keep them with you. You know, put them in your purse. Hand sanitize after everything you touch. If you got, just like my daughter, we got to go in here and her therapy session is upstairs. So she got to push the button. So what you think I'm gonna do after she pushed that button? We'll be like, come on, baby, let's hand sanitize. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Don't have to be like, oh my God, you touched it, girl, you better sanitize. Y'all be doing the most. I'm not saying don't be careful. Just don't be so dramatic about it. That's the reason why we're in a panic right now, because everybody is scared. If you do what you're supposed to have been doing from the beginning, like washing your hands, having good hygiene, you know, sanitizing. People got germs every day. Stop making a big deal out of it, okay? Yes, we at CHKD. I know y'all see it right there. Yes, that's where we at. We about to go in here so Fifi can get her therapy. And I'll holler at y'all when I get back.
Is it a plate or a bowl?
Plate.
It is a plate. Say it again with me. Plate.
Plate.
Good. And what does he have on his foot?
Shoes.
Yes, he does. Very good. Say it again for me. Shoes.
Shoes.
Good. What is that?
Slide.
And what is that?
Swing.
Good. Which one is better, a slide or a swing?
Slide.
Which one do you like better? You like the swing? Me too. And you know what? You always have to be careful on those metal slides in the summertime. Why?
Because you can't get hurt.
You don't want to get hurt. That's right. Sometimes the metal heats up, doesn't it? I never understood that design. Why would you make a piece of metal?
Exactly,
And
for
ask people to
kids.
slide down on their shorts. What is that? Is it a guitar or a fiddle?
Guitar.
It is a guitar. Very good. Thank you. What is that? It is a lion. Good. What is that?
Hey, what up, fam? the last clip that you saw was, I think the last time that I videoed was me taking Fatima for a therapy assessment. Well, just to let you guys know the outcome of that. Y'all know I'm funny. Even though I done sanitized my hands 4 times, I'm still skittish. But anyway, the outcome from that therapy is she's going to be getting speech therapy. Now there's going to be another therapy that's going to be added on to her little agenda. Come on, because I want to go. I want to get started. So, yeah. So she's going to be taking speech therapy. I'm just waiting for the speech therapist to give me a call so they can put her on their schedule. So that's a good thing. You know, by the time Fifi get grown, she gonna have it all together. She gonna be speaking, acting, doing things better than me. But that's what you want for your kids. You want to give them all the help that you can give them while they're young, so that you don't have to worry about, you know, their survival or their ability to survive when they get grown. But y'all, I had to go to the pharmacy. My kids have severe allergies, and I don't know where y'all live at, but if y'all live anywhere like Virginia, the pollen out here is so disrespectful. I mean, it is terrible, 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 to the point where your cars have a yellow hue to them when you come outside. All of the cars, it's bad. So I mean, it's kind of difficult for them because I don't let them really come outside. Well, my older two, listen to me letting them, but they're grown. If y'all don't know, Morgan is home from school. I don't think I told y'all that. Morgan is home from school. And she's gonna be here indefinitely. We're just waiting for the okay so that we can go back to the school to pick up her things. Thanks, Corona. So she's gonna be home until they decide to open up her school again. She's gonna be doing online classes like most of the other college students that I, know of will be doing. So we haven't gotten the okay to go back. Of course, y'all know that's a 6-hour drive. And soon as she landed here, the pollen went psh, 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 smacked her all in her face. And her and Marcel is around there sniffing and honking and blowing. But I do know that my family is more susceptible to it because of the fact that, when you're symptomatic, it lowers your immune system. So, it makes it easier for you to catch it. But when I go out, I do try my best to be as safe as possible. I bring my hand sanitizer. When I go in the store, I usually bring out 2 pairs of gloves with me. Just because, I just want to be safe as I possibly can. Nothing is safe these days. It doesn't matter what you do, You can only do the best you can. And that's wash your hands whenever, you get in. Like when I go in now, I'm going to go straight. I'm going to take my groceries in, and I'm going to sit them in my kitchen floor. I will not sit them on my cabinets or anything of the such. I do have some disinfectant wipes, and I'm going to do my best to wipe down the outsides of my the packaging before I put it up. And I'm going to wash my hands. As soon as I put the groceries in, I'm going to wash my hands first. Then I'm going to go and slowly try to unpack, probably unpack with gloves on. It's just, you know, you really don't know what to do. You don't know if you're being safe. You're just trying your best. You're just doing your best, and that's all that you can do. But I do have another video coming up after this one, and I think you guys should tune into it. It's some information that I came across, and it's almost sad. It's to the point where you'd rather probably suffer at home. If something is going on with you right now and you might need to go to the hospital, it almost make you want to think twice and just be like, you know what, am I dying? No. Do I think I'm gonna die within the next 24 to 48 hours? Probably not. You know, it's crazy when you got to weigh your options in order to go to the hospital, because if you really think about it, the hospital is going to be a cesspool of people who have the coronavirus, and if you don't have it, you know, they say the social distancing, but if everybody's in there snotting and snorting and coughing all over the place, and it don't take much but the droplets, you know, you got to weigh your options, unless you bleeding out or, you know, you in dire pain, excruciating to the point where you can't take it no more pain, then it might be a good idea. But I don't know. It's just crazy. But I found out some information, and like I said, I would love for you guys to share any type of information that you get with me, and I will do the same with you. But I'm gonna go ahead in here and unpack these groceries, and I will holler at you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys for watching and coming along with me on this little vlog. Haven't talked to you guys in a while, but hey, sometimes you got to take care of your family. You got to pick. And of course, I'm going to pick my family. I love y'all so much, and I will talk to you later.